Mspdcl Managing Director M. Rabi has highlighted severe manpower shortages in the company and Mspcl. He was responding to media queries during the Meet the Press series organized by the Directorate of Information and Public Relations (DIPR) at its auditorium today. Speaking further, Rabi clarified that there is no current policy to recruit new staff following the Governor's cancellation of previous Group C and D recruitment results. He added that the existing staff manages to handle normal operations despite facing these manpower constraints. Maintaining that Mspdcl is actively working to bridge a 100 megawatt power deficit, Rabi noted that summer power supply stands at 260 megawatts, while the winter demand is projected to spike over 300 megawatts. He added that the state currently receives only 160 megawatt of actual power. Explaining that this shortfall has often led to power cuts, Rabi informed that the state cabinet has authorized procurement of electricity from the NTPC Faraka STPP stage 1 and 2 at the rate of Rs 4.4 per unit to tackle this issue. He also said that the department is rolling out upgrades under the RDSS, which includes appointing an advanced metering infrastructure service provider AMISP. The director further claimed that 70,000 smart meters have already been installed out of a targeted 1.54 lakh. Emphasizing public complaints regarding increased power consumption after smart meter installation, Rabi urged consumers to file official written complaints, stating that the company has received 0 formal complaints so far.
12 however 16 following when the prepared body. Others how we say that I have a my lifespan low technology smart devices in the Ministry of Body Administration of Makada, the RDSS Harris in the Hapa and no European. Around 70,000 move over 1.54 lakhs per consumers in the feeder 11 kV substations in the 11 kV feeder 100% parliamentary DT meter transport like I did the SD consumers in one looks to meter parliamentary and the 3-phase meters, single-phase meters, 6 meter parliamentary parliament. Masi parliament smart meter parliament Karigana had Harley Palamibra, prepared meter city with the transparency of body. And the consumer Maris Harry to pay the